Editing a value in a record can be done in many ways. First, let us try to manually replace an existing value. Generally, you enter a field with either no characters selected or the entire value selected. If you use the keyboard tab or arrow keys to enter a field, you select the entire value. When you begin to type, the new content replaces the selected value automatically. When you click in a field, the value is not selected. To select the entire value with the mouse, use any of the two methods. The first one, click on the mouse when the cursor is shown as large plus sign. Or click to the left of the value, press and hold mouse button and drag the mouse to select the whole value. You can see the value is selected. To replace an existing value with the value from the field's default value, select the value and press Ctrl, Alt and spacebar together. You can see the age value is reset to the default value of 0. Press Ctrl and semicolon to place the current date in a date field. You can see the current date is placed in the date field. To replace an existing value with the value of the same field from the preceding record, press Ctrl and apostrophe. Here are the keyboard shortcuts we just discussed. If you want to change an existing value instead of replacing the entire value, use the mouse and click in front of any character in the field to activate insert mode. The existing value moves to the right as you type the new value. If you press the insert key, your entry changes to overtype mode. You replace one character at a time as you type. Use the arrow keys to move between characters without disturbing them. Erase characters to the left by pressing backspace or to the right of the cursor by pressing delete. Using the undo feature. The undo button on the quick access toolbar is often not enabled because there is nothing to undo. After you type a value into a field, click on the undo button to undo changes to that value. You can see the change is reversed. After you move to another field, you can undo the changes to the preceding field's value by clicking the undo button. You can also undo all the changes to an unsaved current record by clicking on the undo button after you undo a field. After you save a record, you can still undo the changes by clicking the undo button. However, after the next record is edited, you cannot undo the previous record. Now you cannot undo any changes to the previous record. Using undo button. You can also undo a change with the escape key. Pressing escape cancels any changes to a field that you are actively editing or cancels the changes to the last field you edited if you are not currently editing a field. Pressing escape key twice undo changes to the entire current record. Copying and pasting values. After you cut or copy a value, you can paste into another field or record. Using the paste command in the clipboard group of the ribbon, or right-click and select paste from the shortcut menu. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.